Exercise 77. Dictation speed is 80 words per minute. Get ready. Start. Mr. Vice Chairman, at the very outset, I wish to congratulate our Finance Minister for presenting a very balanced, very thought out, and very well planned budget, which has been held by almost all sections of the society for one reason or the other. Full stop. It is no doubt a people oriented and growth oriented budget which is entirely in consonance with the objectives of the seventh 5-year plan, namely food, work, and productivity. Full stop. Sir, the beauty of the budget and the ingenuity of the finance minister lie in the fact that although outlays for development purposes have been augmented and numerous concessions have been allowed in respect of various items of daily use by men, women, and children, the dose of taxation is not heavy and its impact on the common man will be almost realizable. Full stop. The budget proposals aim at benefiting the rural poor, generating more employment, especially in the rural sector where about 75% of our population lives, and promoting village and small scale industries. Full stop. That is why, sir, the Patriot has called it a people oriented budget. The Hindustan Times found it a Jai Kisan budget. The Financial Express has welcomed it as a farmer oriented budget, and the Hindu has hailed it as sound exercise under the circumstances. Full stop. Even the Federation of Indian Chambers of Commerce and Industry and Associated Chambers of Commerce have welcomed it as a growth oriented budget. Full stop. Moreover, it is a fact in view of the drought conditions prevailing in many parts of the country for the last few years, it had become necessary for the government to boost food production and revitalize an agricultural economy without which industrial growth cannot be ensured. Full stop. If the farmers do not have the purchasing power, industrial growth cannot be maintained either. Full stop. Therefore, it is a matter of great satisfaction that the central government is fully alive to the actual requirements of the people of the country and has taken due care of the farmers and the rural sector without putting any additional burden on the industrial sector. Full stop. The reduction in the rate of interest on crop loan between 10 and 25%, arrangement of additional credit of rupees 3,000 crores for agriculture by the public sector banks discount of 7% over notified prices for fertilizers will go a long way in increasing our agricultural production. Full stop.